We're coming to the last segment. Lot of people, they are trying their best, especially in this Corona period. They started doing the meditation and they want to progress in their meditation also. But there are certain souls who are struggling with their meditation, who still can't still their mind. Like I am one of them.
I have been from my birth. I've been like this. I am still struggling. I don't know from how many births I will have to struggle.
But
Why
I
the
think you're
pressure of
really
meditation?
good.
I don't understand. Why the pressure of meditation?
I don't know, word itself is very bhari. Feels very. So we have simple techniques, please, on that
The
too.
word is sadhana.
Sadhana. जी.
किसी चीज को to correct certain thing is called sadhana. Meditation, it does not explain anything. It is sadhana. किसी चीज को to प्राप्त कर लेना, sadhana.
जी.
To get something is meditation. To get peace is meditation. Meditation is not God. Meeting God.
Meeting your own self.
Not even meeting your own. Relaxing.
Relaxing. Okay.
Listening to something, doing something that I like is sadhana. It is not to do with Kundalani. It is not to do with chakras. It's not to do with energies. It's to do with happiness. You see, what if you know your chakras, then what? What after that?
Many people know that. I don't know that. That's Sabhi, I thought to ask you. I'm struggling.
Meditation is adaptive abilities to be happy internally in spite of any external factor. So sadhana is to remain in Buddha state, in happy state. All by myself. Food or no food, I am same. You are abusing me or praising me, I am the same. If it is happiness to me or something is bothering me, I am the same. The technique to find chakras and to find God is not the ultimate
Goal.
happiness.
Mm-hmm.
That can be done within 6 months, year, 2 year, 5 year, 10 year, 20 years, depending on your spiritual growth. But sadhana, to achieve that happy zone, happy state, that is meditation. So what do I need to do for meditative state? I need to first thing is calm down myself.
Right.
You may take 1 month, you may take 60 years. Most of the people who talk about meditation have not achieved the first step. Peace. Relax, 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 relax. This should be your mantra. Relax, relax. Am I relaxed? No, I'm not. Then relax yourself. Take it easy. The moment I get easy, my internal brain takes over. When my internal brain takes over, the dormant brain, as the scientists call it, that you are not enhancing your brain, you are not using even 5% of your brain. It's all. You are actually using your lot of brain, but that is for the internal function. If you are having vat and or kapha and pith together, two different items of food together, is your stomach deciding which enzyme to secrete for what? Imagine how difficult it is for the stomach. You are having a hot dog with mustard, with Coke, and with fries.
This is the usual food here.
You are having chicken, you are having mustard, you are having Coke, you are having ice. how difficult it is for your brain to compete with so many things together.
Absolutely.
First, it has to
Absolutely.
a chilled thing, it has to bring down to the level of your stomach. Then it has a different enzyme to digest wheat or wheat flour. Then it has another enzyme or probably a combination of enzyme to digest meat. Then it has another enzyme to digest the mustard. Then French fries are coming in. Then oil is coming in. Then on top of that, other drinks. See how difficult it is for the brain.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So the first thing when you do is to relax your mind to get into any meditative state. You need 15-20 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour of relaxation. And my problem, whenever I was with my master, every time I used to relax, I used to doze off to sleep. Every time. So could not achieve greater levels of sadhana or meditation for seems like hundreds and hundreds of years. Because every time you sit down, you are so relaxed, you calm. And I used to get such beautiful sleep, I cannot tell you.
I can imagine that. Yeah.
And the masters are so pure, and they also understand that if this stupid boy is sleeping, is because he could not sleep properly at night. And it's happening with every soul, unfortunately, Aman. Nobody gets a beautiful sleep. The patterns are so bad. Everybody is at their phone till 2 o'clock in the morning. If you want to have a good meditative body mind consciousness, I say these things together because they move in tandem. Have your food by 6:30 in the evening. Try to relax and go for a long walk. Sleep by 7:38. People will start laughing now. What to do? What kind of a life we have? Where is the party?
Yeah.
What a vegetative state of life. Am I here to just live like this only? I am here to enjoy life, to party, enjoy life, party. But for people who are priorities are set, who want to get into the frame of relaxation, who want to understand what are the higher consciousness, for them, sleeping early, getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning, at the most 4:30, is an important factor. Because that time, during the Brahma Muhurta, the mind or the intellectual mind or the mind connected to the cosmos or Ketu's mind or Ketu mind is so active that this is the point that we should sit down and start relaxing, start the meditative state. The first thing is just to sit down and relax. Once your body is relaxed, give it few days, few months to relax. The internal mind will heal a lot of things inside. Your mind will start changing, your frustrations will get over.
Yes, I can hear you now.
Lot of things will happen to you. Lot of good things will.
So, Bhaiya, the few last minutes got interrupted with certain glitch, but you were talking about that this is not a training of few days or few hours. It might take a time in order to get into that deep state into of that sadhana. So you were just talking about that. I'm just giving you a recap.
One should not take pressure about this. Let's leave the deep part to some other section or for some other time. Let us understand how to start, how to get into it. The first phase is the relaxation phase. Once the body is relaxed, the mind is relaxed, you will feel yourself that I am relaxed. The second step is to control the monkey mind. The thoughts that they do not disturb you again and again and again. For that, the Shastra describe as focusing on the breath. Since the mind needs something to do, and you are sitting in a meditative state, if you keep thinking about your work, your business, or other problems, then you will not achieve that state of stillhood or the very initial state of base of meditation or sadhana. So second step is, some people do it by repeating a name or a mantra. Some people do it by focusing on some object. There are various ways to achieve it. Some people do the mala, the beads, so
Right.
that they can repeat it.
Right.
You see, you have to find out what suits you the best.
Yeah.
But the most initial stage is to sit down, to relax, and to focus on your breath. Or you can start with the utterance of the word Om. First loudly, then mildly, then internally. But if
Okay.
you break down the sound of Om, it is made up of three parts: A, O, and You have to initially do the recitation at a little higher note so that the vibrations you can feel in your mind, in your body. And if you want to go really deep, then close your ears with your fingers and then start repeating the word Om loudly.
Okay. Okay.
This time you'll feel that the backside, the backbone is feeling the vibration. The head is feeling the vibration, but you have to do it with your ears plugged. The best is to put your fingers inside your ear, close them, and to start repeating Om like this. Om.
Yeah, the
The moment
vibration is very high.
you start doing this and you feel it inside, the vibrations will set your mind to a tune. It will relax, it will open up a lot of things in your mind that are closed, but this is to be done regularly. Initially, if one can start with this, achieve a certain level of meditative sadhana or the state of stillness or bliss or relaxed mode, that is your first achievement. A lot of people talk about that we are going to do it in this manner or that manner, and this thing is to be done, and this is the way you control the breath, and this is the asana that you do, and other things. No need to get into all this. Really, no need to get into all this. Just to understand and focus your mind, the first step is relaxation. Relaxation is to be achieved first. Let the body be relaxed. Let the mind heal the body first. Once the body is healed, the mind will be healed at the second phase. Once the mind starts healing, your thought become very positive. Your actions become very goal oriented. The first thing you will understand is you'll eat less, you'll sleep less, you'll talk less. If you achieve that state or you are reaching that state, understand that you are moving on the right road towards positivity. So your hunger goes down. It is amazing that once a day food is sufficient for the entire day and you still feel over energetic, that I have not lost my energy. So once the food is balanced, the mind is balanced, the thoughts are balanced, the repairing is start happening, the healing starts to happen, the thoughts change, you will completely become a new individual. You may not remain the same.
And
First stage is this.
I still remember, Bhaiya, the second segment which we did in 2019 when we spoke about Lord Ketu. And at the end of the segment, you mentioned the best way to connect with Lord Ketu is to sit on the floor, again with the head covered, and just sit in the silence and relax. That is the best state of meditation. This you mentioned in 2019. And I think you're mentioning the same technique again.
Yeah, it's
So
the same.
simply.
There is no change in technique between the master and the student, you and me, our gurus, our masters. Every state is the same. The state is to listen to the silence. That is what they call it. You should be strong enough to listen to the silence, what the silence is talking to you. That is sadhana. That is meditative state. That is
Just in
the
the
achievement.
just in the morning, I read a very beautiful quote. It said the best communication happens. It was talking about the masters, and they were saying the best communication happens only in the silence. Yeah, totally
Let's
makes
hope
sense.
let's hope people try try to follow a bit of this, try to understand this, what is happening in a bit of depth also, that what is going to happen if I relax.
Great.
Sorry, what positivity am I going to get? What are the energies that will creep into me? What are the malefic things that are going to vanish
Great.
once I start achieving this?
But let me assure you, Bhaiya, the kind of a feedback we get on the same platform, it is making an impact, good impact. Lot of our brothers and sisters, they do come sometimes personally, sometimes on the social media, and they do say loudly, it is making a good impact. Life is changing, we are changing, we are getting into a good habits, and thanks to you. And I feel very happy.
Thanks for having me. Thanks for listening to whatever little I know patiently.
Right. No, Bhaiya, thank you. Thank you. It's always a pleasure. And we will do more sessions like this again in some other time. So thank you. Thank you for today. Thank you.
Much pranam to everybody. Thank you.
Thank you. Pranam.
Take care. Pranam.